back up. We need backup immediately.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our Wednesday International Vara and Dark Fusion Technology presentation. My name is your Vara Commander, Miss Marnita Casa, and I will be your humble hostess for this afternoon. Well, it feels so good to be back. Hello, everyone. I see all of our friends are here. The energy is good. Happy New Year's to you guys. I hope you all had a lovely, blessed, and loving holiday season. I know we did, but now it's time to get back to work, and it is so good to see you all here. Now, there's one thing that I do like to say is that we totally understand there are so many things that you could be doing with your day. And the fact that you all decided to come on out and hear what we have to say makes us so very happy. So again, thank you all so very much for being here. So it is our time to go ahead and get started. It is my pleasure and my honor to introduce you all to a man that for over 25 years dominated the direct sales industry. His cryptocurrency education is being used by companies and universities worldwide. Now, this man spent over 6 years, learning about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, but he didn't just stop there. He decided to go out and share the information with the masses, and he did this by putting on fun and exciting Bitcoin boot camps nationwide at no cost. He has built thriving platforms and wonderful communities like you see before you now. So without further ado, it is my honor to introduce you all to Mr. Brandon Ivy.
All right. Thank you, Commander Casa, for that introduction. Welcome, everybody. This is a brand new year, 2024. You made it. That also means the job is not done. We're here to finish off what we started a year ago, because it is 1 year ago we joined the Vara ambassadors as the very first time. Before there was anything, we barely had a website. We had an idea. We didn't even know about dark fusion technology in any form of detail just yet. All we knew was that this was a company that was introducing new technology to bring a brand new MMO to the Metaverse called Vara. And as a gamer, that got me excited. But 1 year ago, I still hadn't made the commitment that I was actually going to be coming out of retirement to build this opportunity. I was at the same time launching some brand new courses in my own crypto education company that I own. And it just fell in line because it had to deal with NFTs and Metaverse, that what this company was doing. And I was excited about what the future of the Metaverse was going to be about, and the opportunity to be a part of a project that wanted to be at the forefront to bring the very first AAA MMO game to the blockchain in the Metaverse. That got me excited. It wasn't until about a month or a month and a half later, going into February, that I really had a complete kind of understanding of how big this opportunity actually is. And I made the decision that I was going to come out of 25 years being in the direct selling space, coming out of retirement, to come back to not just invest in this opportunity, not just to be an influencer and, share it with others, but to actually build this business. See, because I understand blockchain technology, I'm always looking for companies that is going to utilize technology and blockchain to build for the future, to solve a problem or problems that the industry is currently facing that will survive the crypto storm that's going to come. I understand that is where wealth is being generated, not trying to get rich quick today or tomorrow, but something that's going to be here for the next 3, 4, 5, 10 years. And I realized that this is a company that has a 40-year game plan that I said I'm going all in on. And after we did pretty good our first year in pre-launch. I made 6 figures with this opportunity. We haven't even gone viral yet. Nobody knows who we are, and we've only grown since then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a screen. And I want you to bear with me, because I have not done a presentation now in a couple of weeks, almost a month, as we were getting ready to launch our Fusion One decentralized exchange, the app. We had an update to our compensation plan, our products. We added a brand new product and service, and vacation. So today we're going to be doing a short presentation. It's not a full one because they are still working on the new presentation for me that I will hopefully be able to show tomorrow night. So I'm going to practice on you guys again, get back into the swing of things, gear up for 2024. I fully expect this to be a 7-figure year for those who take full advantage of this moving forward, and to go on this journey with you guys while we're in pre-launch. Now, we are Vara ambassadors. And before I talk about the presentation itself, as a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I share information for entertainment, training, and educational purposes only, and it is up to you to make your own informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. There is absolutely no guarantee of any earnings here. Earnings is based on your efforts and product sales, and there's no limit to how much that you actually can earn. So let me show, for those of you who are a little late bloomers, a short promo video of what Vara is all about. Take a look. Now, Vara is offering you a seat at a $1 trillion table. We want to be able to help you unlock the untapped potential of the world's biggest blockchain with this Vara technology. And that blockchain that we are referring to is Bitcoin. We have untapped, almost infinite potential in the Bitcoin ecosystem. But no one, until now, has found a way to unlock it. See, Vara brings together the economic might of Bitcoin and its countless users, unlocking the value through subscriptions, dApps, centralized apps, and multiple other avenues that previously was never able to be used on Bitcoin. See, before, if you wanted to do that, you would use Ethereum or its competitors like Solana. But for the very first time, it is now possible on the Bitcoin protocol. Our technology is connecting consumers that are from gamers, ambassadors, and entrepreneurs. We're offering play-to-earn games, the ability to stake and have validator nodes, and software as a service for fintech product and businesses that want to utilize our technology to tokenize themselves, create smart contracts, create other products, and us as Vara ambassadors will benefit from every single one of them. What makes this all possible is our Fusion 1 technology. This is technology that is allowing us to offer Star Vara, the MMO game. Also, we partner with a company called UltraSphere for fantasy sports. And for those of you who want that passive income, to be able to build a crypto portfolio and have a product and service that is BaFin compliant, which is like the SEC in Europe, and backed by the third largest bank in France, Societe Generale, called Yield Pro, which over the next couple of weeks, you're going to be hearing a lot about in detail. In fact, tomorrow night, I will be having my sponsor, the number one money earner in the company, will be speaking about Yield Pro tomorrow night. But what we are offering with Vara and our first product, which is Star Vara the game, is a multiverse of MMO gaming and blockchain technology. If you don't know what MMO means, that means massively multiplayer online gaming. Watch the movie Ready Player One if you've never seen that movie before. You'll have a good idea what the future of not just gaming is, but of entertainment and socializing is all about. Tim Sweeney, the CEO of Epic Games, says that the Metaverse is going to be as big, if not bigger, than the internet. And how are you going to access this world? Well, you can access this world multiple ways, through your PC and laptop, but also console games like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. If you're not a gamer, I guarantee you your children or your grandchildren are. This is a space that is generating more than $20 billion in revenue for these companies. And I forgot, also VR headsets that you can access this world. But instead of me telling you about it a little bit more, like I said, I have a whole bunch of trailers. Let me show you. Take a look at this.
Send it back up. We need backup immediately.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And I'm not talking about something that is coming. It's already here. You can go to the App Store, type in star Vara, and it's going to pop up because we are in beta right now. And you Vara ambassadors are able to participate in it right now in the testing phase. And we have a special contest going on, which is our $1 million Battle Royale contest, where they're going to be giving away $1 million worth of Vara credits to the participants. So you can start participating in that right now. I was just playing it yet last night on my phone. Next, we partnered with a company that looked at what we were doing and saying, they're like, look, we're doing fantasy gaming. We need to have your technology so that we can tokenize ourselves. We want to be able to bring blockchain-based games. This is a multi-sport application boasting over 100 sports leagues. Vara ambassadors are key players in distributing this exciting product, which boasts easy access and innovative social gaming elements, things that people are already doing anyway. You don't take my word for it. Take a look. Now, the next product we brought to market, we launched last month, and this has been very, very quiet, and it's been that way for a reason. We are an international global business where you can be in business with us from anywhere around the world. But unfortunately, each jurisdiction has different rules and regulations that the company must apply by. So our Yield Pro product is not available in every region yet, but mostly for our international market, it is. And for those of you that's looking for that passive income, the ability to build a portfolio and to allow it to work for you, your Pro product allows you to do just that, where you're going to be able to unlock the Yield Pro product effortlessly by staking your tokens, activate an access plan or a product top-up, and watch your token allocation seamlessly integrate into Yield Pro's cutting-edge validation staking framework. Soon we will have a promo video that will be highlighting and showcasing this. Everything's got to go through our compliance department. We want to make sure that we're following all current rules and regulations, and we're saying and doing things the right way. In other words, there's one thing that we will never do, and that is guarantee you earnings. Earnings will only happen based on what you do. But this is a good product to use for those who are looking for that passive income. All of this is taking place because of our technology called Fusion One, revolutionary new Bitcoin ecosystem. And this is why I am here, why I came out of retirement. Fusion One is laying the foundation on which the future of Bitcoin will be built. Built on SCL, which is smart contract language, Fusion One strategically targets key industries and creates tailored products, unlocking the Bitcoin blockchain ecosystem. All of this is going to represent a market value surpassing $1 trillion. We aim to be the first game company tokenizing assets on the Bitcoin Lightning Network. In other words, we're solving major problems like the ability to offer instant payments. We're able to settle payments in milliseconds instead of minutes. We're offering the ability to scale on the Bitcoin network, which you weren't able to do before. And best of all, we have low cost with 0.0002 cents per transaction. Our technology is bringing a 98.72% reduction in server costs. The cost of having one user on Netflix, we have more than 341 users using Dark Fusion technology. This is a technology that also allows us to build our token utility. In fact, we're going to have several tokens: Vara, DFG for our Dark Fusion, and the Fair Gaming Network. And any company that wants to use our technology to tokenize themselves, we as Vara ambassadors will have full access to those tokens first. Now, you're going to be able to unlock your future here by activating access plans. Now, based on your region, certain access plans will not be available for you. Hopefully within the next 24 to 48 hours, I'll be able to showcase the access plans that we have here in the United States, but also international, from our access plan 1 all the way up to our Pro Elite, going anywhere between $130 to $3,500. You can choose your access plan. Now, the question is this something that you can do? The answer is yes. This is something that everybody can do. There's no experience required. We have high quality company videos, affordable entry levels, a simple and duplicatable system. I mean, it's easy. How would you like to get paid to play a video game? What? Yes. See, right now, if you're playing Fortnite and Roblox, you're using real world money to pay to play. But can you make money playing the game? Do you own the content that you're purchasing? Because of our blockchain technology and our crypto on-ramp and off-ramp, we're allowing you to get paid to play. So we're going from a pay-to-play to play-to-earn concept. You say, well, I'm not a gamer. How would you like to get paid from other people playing video games? We have more than 1 billion people around the world playing video games every single month. Fortnite made more than $24 billion doing it. Then you might say, well, I don't do any of that stuff. Can I still make money passively? Yes. What if I told you that Fortnite decided to take 30% of their earnings and give it right back to their ambassadors? Well, they don't do that, but we will. How would you like to earn a percentage of every time a gamer is spending money on the game? Because we have a bond system in place that if you own one of our access keys that you get with our Pro Elite, you will get a percentage of every purchase made in the Vara ecosystem. Again, I say this, even though it's passive, no money exchanges hands unless somebody buys the product. But when we have 500,000, 1 million, and more players paying for this product every single month, and the company is taking 30% and giving it right back to you. There's only going to be 25,000 access keys. So it pays to be the first. And all of you guys are the first. You might say, well, Brandon, I'd love to share this opportunity. Me as well. That's why I came out of retirement. How would you like to share this opportunity globally? We're in business everywhere around the world and get a percentage of that as well. I've already cleared six figures with it. I plan on doing more than 7 figures. I don't roll out of bed for less than $10,000. So I'm here for a reason. And not just for myself, but how many people can we take on this journey with us? And I am proud to say that in our first year, I know at least 25 to 30 individuals that because of my efforts are positioned to already earn 6 figures this year if they decide to go to work based on work we already did. And that's just scratching the surface of what we're about to do, because we haven't gone viral yet. Nobody knows who we are. I just did crypto talk this morning, showing how I made $60,000 in one day on a project when nobody knew about it until after the fact. This is one of those type of projects. I've done it before. I'm going to do it again. It's just a matter of, will you be here with us, or will you be watching us from the sidelines? I'm going to end by sharing a video on who is the people behind this. Who's the team? Do we know who they are? Because we're living in a time right now where there's an attack on a lot of businesses. You don't know if anything is legitimate or not. People are getting arrested left and right and going to jail. So who are the people behind this project? So I'm going to end by playing a video to show you who the team is. And the team is working very hard behind the scenes. In fact, they just asked myself to be a part of this team, to be the official crypto educator for Vara. So you're going to start seeing a lot of content that I'm going to be creating for all of you guys to teach crypto education. It's one thing to say you want to make money in crypto, but if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know the basics. So we just can't, we've got to put you in the right position to be able to earn, and knowledge is power. So let me play for you guys the team, and I will be back tomorrow night. I told you this was a modified presentation today. I didn't go over the compensation plan. I really didn't go over all of the packs. So once I get the new information to share, we'll be doing that. I know I'll have something new tomorrow night, but definitely by next Monday's international presentation will be a different presentation for you guys. And we will be off to the races. I am not playing with this. I'm not playing. I am laser focused. And I'm looking for those leaders who want to run with us as well, who want to lead the pack. Not the complainers, the leaders. The leaders are the ones that make the money. And we're ready to take Vara to the next level. So with that, thank you guys for listening to me today. I will be back for the US market tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. I will post the link in our Telegram groups as soon as this presentation is over. So that's going to be tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. And Bitcoin branded out. Here's the video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Mike Saunders. I'm the CTO.
I'm a 3D game artist.
Manager of customer support.
I am social media manager.
I'm the head of web development.
I'm a senior developer.
I'm a senior graphic designer.
I'm the game writer. I'm a 3D designer and a video editor.
I am chief game architect.
I am the head of support.
I am the game art lead.
I am a 3D artist.
Senior art director and designer.
My role is head of games development.
I'm a 3D designer and a video editor.
Game developer.
I'm a junior game dev.
At its core, what we're doing, whether it's game dev, blockchain work, or in the web space, really embraces the notion of open source and collaboration.
I enjoy the company culture. I think it's an awesome team, very talented team. I count myself privileged to be a part of this team.
It lifts me up every day to come to work. I really enjoy being here and being part of what we're doing. It's really an exciting part of my day-to-day.
I love my colleagues. We have a lot of coffee. I don't do coffee, so whatever.
I get to come to work, come up with crypto tools, build smart contracts, make video games, it really is a dream job.
Every day we are constantly trying to innovate and do the most exciting thing possible.
We get given challenges every day, and how to solve that is always fun.
There's definitely a groundswell of excitement around what we're building.
The star of our universe is going to seemingly be endless, and what better place could a writer want to be than in this position right now? I'm never going back, that's for sure. This is where I belong.